Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to create a demon sort of looking tail in VRoid. This is the tail I'm talking about. This is very trial and error and it does take some tweaking, but it is possible. So let's get started. Go to the hair editor, this is where we're going to do the tail. Then add a freehand group. Once that's added, select the mirror and then push one of these orbs or circles down, and then the other one also down, and then a third one down. We're gonna start with this. Push it to where, push this one to where you want the tail to start. I want it somewhere over here, and then this one where you want it to end. We're gonna edit this later, but to have like the basic idea of where it is. Now draw a hair, well, it's a hair strand, but let's turn the mirror off and draw the hair strand. That's gonna be our tail. Then select it and we're gonna start editing first. This to make it look like a tail and then shape it. You're gonna go here and make sure it's selected to diamond, and in here we're gonna change it to Ika-chan, and there we have like a little arrow thing. We're gonna increase the thickness and increase, actually no, I'm gonna decrease the width a little bit. And then I'm gonna edit this a bit further over here. And there we have this strange looking tail for now. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna lift this. I sort of want it here, and then I want it to bend over, and I want this to bend over this way. So I'm gonna lower this and then push it towards the body, and now I'm gonna pull another one of the circles, push it towards the body, and push it down. So you can see we're creating the effect we wanted. It's gonna do that. It's gonna like mess up in some cases and then it's just gonna fix itself. Now do the same, lower another one, increase this one, and lower another one. This is trial and error. Now in this hair strand we're gonna push it towards the body. I'm gonna fix it a little bit. And you'll see it looks super weird right now. This is because we need to play a little bit more with this. Just like play around with the orbs until you have something you like. So my video editor stopped recording, but pretty much what I did was just I kept playing around with it until I found the right position. I finished it just a few seconds after I like said that sentence, so you didn't miss much. But this is the final result of playing around with it. Maybe I'll redo the tutorial again, or I'm probably gonna do a longer version with more details on how to fix the physics and all that stuff. But this is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you want to get notified for more tutorials. Bye bye.